Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to download and install applications on your Samsung The Frame TV. So first of all, press Home button on your remote and then press the right button to switch to the Apps menu. And here you can navigate between the available applications for your TV. But if you want to search for some specific application, use the left button until you open up the sidebar on your TV and then navigate to Search, select Search, and then select the search field and press OK to open the keyboard. And now start entering your app's name by navigating with your side buttons on your remote and selecting the character or the letter or the character or the digit using your middle button. Let's look for the application. And once you see your application on the list, you can just you can press the return button to turn off the keyboard, then tap on your application either here or in the apps menu. Tap on it once and then tap one more time to install this application and then wait until it's installed on your TV. And once the application is installed, you can open it from here. You will see this notification. Here you can choose whether to open the application, to add it to home, or to just close this notification. So let's select open. And as you can see, the app starts working. Now let's go to home. And since we didn't add this application to home, we will not be able to see it right here. But if we go to apps and find this application or search for it once again, and then open its page in the Samsung App Store or whatever, I'm not sure what it's called, just navigate to add to home option, tap OK, and it will be added to your apps list in home menu. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.